Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. And so today we are going to be learning how to make your app faster. And then today I'll be adding another thing to it. And then today the method I'll be teaching you is going to also help you and make your app very strong. So I know whenever you buy a phone, the phone is usually strong, the apps are cool, then you don't have any problem with it. As time goes on, as you use the phone, the apps become slow, the phone becomes slow, and then everything is always confusing. But today you have been saved. So just follow the steps and then life will be made simple as long as you use your mobile phone. So let's move into business. So today this is what we'll be doing. We'll be using a app. Let me see what. Okay, let's say we'll be using Messenger. We use our Messenger for example. So over here I have chat. I have my chat here. So let's go back. I'll be using Messenger. That's an example. So let's move to settings. And then we'll be opening apps. The third option, apps and notifications. Okay, so we are looking for Messenger, and we can see Messenger here. If your app you're looking for is not there, you can then proceed to see all 66 apps. So it's still loading. Okay, so over here you can then find the app you are searching for, the app you want to make it very fast, the one you intend to fix. So I have my Messenger here. Okay, so over here the phone gives you access to everything of a Messenger, so you can control Messenger what you want it to do. So over here we have notifications, permission, storage, data usage, time spent, in app battery, open by default, SMS app, and then we have advanced, we have a display over other apps, then picture in picture, app details. So but we are going to make the app very fast. That's what we are going to do. So let's focus. So move to storage. Okay, so over here in storage we can see app size, we can see user data, we can see couch, we can see the total of all. So what we are going to do is that we are going to clear couch. And also all know the couch are the useless data we don't need. But still they are inside the app, they are inside the phone, and then they're eating up your space. So we are clearing the couch. But if you want it to function as it was when you downloaded it, then you will have to click on a clear storage. So when you click on clear storage, you press OK. So but before you clear, as you can see the pop-up menu, delete app data. All this app data will be deleted immediately. This includes all files, settings, accounts, database. So if we want to restart the app again, then you press on OK. So I'm restarting the app. So let's go back. Then as I said, we're using Messenger for this video, so let's move to Messenger. Let me all my data so that we can. Alright, I think it's loaded. So as you can see, it's not like the way it was when I was using it. So you see, it's starting all over. So with this, the app will become fast. With this, the app will start all over. So it starts afresh and then it's renewed. It's very renewed. So it's strong and then active, and then it's very fast in performing a task. So this is the simple method that you guys need to know. I know many of you don't know this, but now you know. So why won't you subscribe to this channel, like and share, so that others can also find it, watch it, and then know that life can be simple. Life can be simple as long as you hold your mobile phone. So that's it for today. Peace.